How to attach Google Drive file to email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to attach and send Google Drive files in Gmail. So this method is especially useful for sharing large files and collaborating on documents. And with that, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Gmail and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the Gmail, simply click on the Compose button to start a new email. And now in the Compose window, simply locate and click on the Google Drive icon. It's shaped like a triangle, which can be seen in the bottom toolbar. And once you click on that, a window will appear displaying your Google Drive files. So simply navigate and select the file that you want to attach. And once you have selected the file, simply click on Add as Link. And once you have attached the file, you can simply write the subject for your email. And once you're done with that, you can simply enter the recipient's email. And once you're done with everything, you can simply click on Send. And that's it. That's how you can attach Google Drive file to email and send it to others. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.